Hi, I'm Liz.
And I'm Charlie.
We're the Adventure Closet.
And today,
We're gonna go soak up some holy water. So come along with us.
so come along with us.
So it looks like the trail is gonna follow this creek up. But here's our first look at the water. And if you look down there, it's a nice pool you could swim in. And there's fishies in there. Got me a wildcat.
Up here, there's a small temple. I've seen better days. Interesting idols here. Haven't seen that bearded guy before. But apparently the Buddha did grow facial hair during his time of fasting. Little tadpoles in there. Looks like they have the stuff to rebuild the temple, so that'll probably be done here. Check out that tree root. That's cool.
Anybody know what that says?
All the tourist points here in Thailand, even for local tourists, there is these little signs that you can do selfies in front of. Selfies are big in Southeast Asia, and that probably says Khlong Waterfall or Khlong Narai. I don't know what it says, but we can guess, right?
There's butterflies all over today.
This trail is 1.7 kilometers. It says it takes approximately 40 to 60 minutes to walk. It says throughout the distance you will see plants, rainforest, plant communities, as well as holy water sources that flow from the Vishnu cave, which has its source from the top of Sabab mountain. So it looks like we're starting here and working our way to the holy water. This area in the past was the location of the Chedi and the residence of His Majesty the King, Rama the Fourth. But it washed away in 1974 and collapsed. So a Chedi is, I assume, the same as a stupa, that image up there. So, place of worship and residence of the king.
I wonder how old it is. Oh, there's a picture of what it looked like before.
This ant is very defensive. Oh, maybe that's not an ant, it's got wings. That thing looks like it will bite me or sting me.
All this water comes from the top of this mountain, and it's considered by the locals to be holy water. So they will, every day you come out here, you'll probably see locals bathing in it, meditating, praying. This is all one piece of one tree.
Fig tree.
Fig tree. Pretty cool. Looks like we're getting close to the sacred water source.
Little skink just scared me. See his head right there in the center of the screen? Blends in very well. It's not raining. That is sweat. dripping off my hat. It's very humid. The humidity is no joke here. This is all sweat pouring off my hat. I expect to be 15 pounds lighter by the end of this 2-kilometer journey. We did bring 2 liters of water, but honestly, I should just be putting a bucket under my hat to collect all this water that I am dripping here. I've literally been here 2 minutes and I've created a puddle. I don't even know if we're halfway there yet. It's only 96 degrees, only. But it feels like 113 today. I don't know what the humidity is, but it's obviously pretty high. One thing that really sucks is the sweat running down my legs. Constantly feels like there's a bug crawling on my leg or something. There's a sign here about a rubber tree. Well, we turned around and saw this. That's pretty cool.
Ooh. It's a bit of a steep climb in this heat, but fortunately we brought lots of water and some watermelon. But we're taking a break on this rock, and looking ahead of us on the trail, there is this giant boulder. It's so massive, bigger than any of the boulders we've seen along this trail. It's so cool. Take a look.
This thing is massive. I'm sure glad that they labeled what it was and told you exactly that a rock is any naturally occurring solid mass or aggregate of minerals or mineraloid matter. It is categorized by the minerals included. Its chemical composition is the way in which it was formed. Rocks are usually grouped into 3 main groups: igneous rocks, metamorphic rocks, and sedimentary rocks. Rocks found in this nature trail are mostly igneous rocks. Hello, igneous. Hello, igneous. Such a strange name. The deeper we go into this rainforest jungle, the more little things scurry away as we walk. That's kind of cool. Found a little covered area here. Liz said, I wonder if they do this to keep too much of it from evaporating As you can see, the water level is lower than the drainage pipe that they have.
Because that waterfall down at the bottom would dry up if this dried up too fast.
Yeah.
I just scared up a little skink. I'm going to see if I'll scare up more as I walk along.
It's funny that they have a sign about a rock, but nothing telling you what this is.
Oh gosh, this makes me nervous. This is just a bamboo bridge. A little nervous about this one.
Go sideways so your feet are across multiple. Yeah, step on that big log. It should hold you. Bamboo is pretty strong. They make scaffolding out of it. It's designed to bend. Careful, because the edge of that log is not secure on the other side.
Yeah, I don't feel good about this. Okay. Careful.
Do you feel better about it now?
Yeah. Nice job.
We know we're pretty close here, but we also know that we can't let excitement get us overheated to get there. So we're stopping here, cooling off. Put the cold water bottle in Liz's shirt. So it is very hot. Well, it's humid too, is the thing. Like, we're just dripping in sweat. Like, I'm soaked from head to toe. So yeah, it's dangerous to be out in this. You gotta take water with you and take your time and listen to your body. If you start hurting, you start feeling weird, you gotta stop.
Wow. We brought a fan with us. That feels amazing. Just another use for a drone.
Yeah.
Wow. You know, I've heard of people mentioning drones as survival tools because you can, like, you know, find your way out if you're lost. You can, you know, throw the drone up and fly around to kind of assess the area. But never have I heard anybody talk about using it to cool down your core body temperature. When you're, like, you know, say hiking out in the desert, maybe you're doing the PCT, you're on that stretch from Mexico through California. This is seriously working great. It feels like there's AC on me right now. So, survival tip if you have a drone. Shall we finish this hike?
I think we shall.
All right. I think we reached the end.
Number 12, holy water or sacred water. Khlong Narai is a natural water resource that flows from the Narai cave from Khlong Narai Waterfall. The Narai is holy water that is used in the royal coronation of King Rama the 9th and 10th. It is one of 108 holy water in Thailand that is used in important ceremonies. Interesting, because tomorrow is actually coronation day.
Why didn't you put that together?
And they use this holy water for the coronation of the king.
It smells like cat pee up here.
Ah, it kind of does. Liz says it smells like cat pee up here. There are probably some giant cats in this area, so we kind of have to be on the lookout.
It does, doesn't it?
It does, yes. Which makes sense because we're near a water source. Yeah. Okay, let's head down. We made it. And it is all butterflies and fish. Peaceful and quiet. Except for something that keeps going wrong.
I am a little nervous. Oh, did you see that yellow butterfly?
Yeah.
About wildcats. Like, there's actual tigers in the forest here.
Yeah.
And being in this like boulder field, it's a good habitat for cats to sleep during the day. So, just something in the back of our minds. No big deal.
Yeah. Just tigers, you know.
Us all alone out here in the middle of the forest in Thailand.
2 kilometers from any human.
But we're protected by holy water.
Sacred water.
One really cool thing about Thailand is everything beautiful is sacred. They'll put up shrines.
Temples.
Yeah, declaring the water as holy and sacred. I mean, I feel like that's something me and Charlie already do. Everywhere we go when we're somewhere beautiful, it feels sacred to us out in nature.
I'm just sitting here watching all these fish. There's so many of them.
It's amazing that they're all living in this little pool. I'm sure they get enough bugs and stuff to be happy.
That's how you know the water's safe to get into.
Yeah. Pour some over your head.
Yeah, should probably do that.
They're nibbling at my feet. This is the source of the holy water where it comes out of the top of the mountain. Can't believe that we hiked to the top of a mountain in this weather.
Well, we're not to the top yet. And we're not going to the top.
Oh, is it a little further yet?
A little bit further, yeah.
Can't be much.
No.
I'm gonna see about getting into the pool with the big fishies. I hope they don't like bite my toes off or something. Here they are. They're really gonna scatter as soon as I put my feet in. Don't mind me, guys. Just here to check you out. You coming in too? Ooh, the nibbles feel stronger.
Yeah, I'm sure they do. Big ones can take a toe. Did it fly off?
Yeah, it just did.
Told you this place is all butter.
Back on your head.
I told you this place is all butterflies.
Oh my Lord Jesus Christ. Look at that.
What?
Do you see that spider right there?
Holy crap.
Oh my God.
Oh my God. It's time to go.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
All right, I'm a little nervous to get up close here. I don't know even like what kind of spider this is.
A giant spider?
Oh my gosh, I need something for scale. This is, I mean, you guys see, these fish are probably, like that big one's probably like 12 inches long. That spider is, gosh, spiders don't make my voice shaky. Like, this one does.
That is like tarantula size.
Yeah.
But not a tarantula.
It's not a tarantula. fish jumping made me jump. Okay.
Holy wow.
Do you think you can try filming this?
Well, that just ends our day.
Yeah, I think it's time to hike back now.
Yeah.
Everything's making us jump. Wow. They're that kind of, the fish for scale right there really does it.
The leg span is at least 5 inches.
Okay, see this leaf?
No, that's not going to work.
I'm gonna...
Don't antagonize the spider.
I really want people to see for scale how big that thing is. It's like as big as my palm. Bigger than my palm.
Yeah.
Bigger than my palm. With its legs spread out, of course. Do you think it's like a swimming spider?
It's near the water.
Okay, that's the best I can do. I'm gonna have to get all our stuff back from the butterflies. Wow, there's so many butterflies everywhere. Yeah. Just like a million butterflies. Oh my gosh, your face is adorable. Wow. Its wings are closed now. Okay.
Oh, damn.
Oh, the white one?
Yeah.
Ooh. That is a beautiful one. Wow. Look at you. You gorgeous thing. I don't mind getting closer to you. I don't think you're gonna kill me.
Only that spider. That spider's probably safe.
Yeah, probably. Usually the big ones are. It really doesn't get much more magical than this. Or maybe it does. We're not done yet. We still have more to show you.
You are surrounded in butterflies.
I am surrounded. Better to be surrounded by butterflies than big old scary spiders. The fishies are jumping. The fishies are restless. They're probably eating butterflies. I know. I think that spider was too big for those fish to eat. Or maybe that's how those big fish got so big. I'm just going to enjoy this moment with the butterflies. He's just flying his drone and he has no idea. There's a bunch of yellow butterflies on his back. They're just chilling.
Oh, hello there. You must know I fly.
Charlie basically is a butterfly.
Yeah. They think I'm the master of the butterflies because I have a drone. Like, look, there's like just 3 of them, 4 of them right there. Another one on my chest here. Probably some on my back.
Not right now, but there was earlier. Oh, there's one above your head.
Thailand's all butterflies and stuff. I gotta get my jacket from the butterflies. Wow.
So there's something we passed on the way up that I want to show you guys. You know, waterfalls have negative ions, and negative ions supposedly make you feel happy. Like it increases your endorphins. I think it's working. You're definitely more relaxed.
Sometimes travel can be a little stressful. It's not all butterflies and streams and all the other stuff you see. We're real people. Stuff happens. And sometimes you gotta deal with it. Even in places like this.
Like your problems don't leave you because you're in Southeast Asia.
There's no vacations from problems.
Yeah. So I hope that as this place gave us some peace and calm and serenity, a place to meditate, I hope it also gave you that too. We tried to film this as beautifully as we could and make you guys feel like you're here with us, because
You are.
yeah, you are. And you guys are the reason we're here. So we want you to feel all the same feelings that we do.
Even the little fish nibbling on your arms.
Yes. And as we've traveled through Southeast Asia, you've seen us go to a lot of Buddhist temples, and we've like learn some things. I wouldn't say that we're Buddhists, but we are interested in Buddhism and the philosophy behind it. And there's one thing that we picked up recently about clouds that you kind of envision your mind as this landscape. And the emotions that come in are the weather systems, that they come and they go. They're temporary.
Yeah.
Do you have anything else to add to that?
No, that's what it was. But it was your body is the sky. There's a lizard up there. Your body is the sky, and sometimes the sky is always there, and sometimes the clouds come in and, you know, cover up the sky. But the clouds leave. The clouds part. Unless you're in Washington State, where we come from. The clouds stay for a long time there.
But then we have sunny days.
Yes.
Or where there's just one or two clouds in the sky.
Yeah.
Or there's snow.
And
Or there's hurricanes, or there's monsoons.
And they don't have to be dark clouds.
Yeah. True.
I mean, all your thoughts can just be light, fluffy clouds, or they could be dark, rainy clouds.
Or they could be tornadoes.
I don't even know if I'm going to include all this.
I love the way he looks at me like I'm ridiculous. Did you guys just look at me that way too?
No,
Yeah.
they're entertained.
But anyway.
You guys don't have to live with this.
Yeah.
But then again, you guys don't have to live with me either.
It's wonderful living with you.
It's wonderful living with you.
Alright. Let's check out some beautiful waterfall footage. Well, that was fun.
Well, that was so much fun.
Thank you for joining us on this amazing Zen adventure to this waterfall and this sacred waters.
Don't forget to check us out on Patreon. Help support our journey here and help support these videos coming to you, like all these people here. And if you like the video, hit like, subscribe, all that garbage that YouTubers always say that gets redundant and boring, and you already know. If you like, you like. If you subscribe, you subscribe. Thank you. Drop us a comment. We always read the comments.
Yes, we do. Yes.
Bye now.
Bye now.
It's Friday, too.
Oh, you know what I forgot to mention? Skipper here. This was free. This is in the national park. It's this national park?
Yeah, it's that one.
And they didn't charge us anything.
No. So there's 2 waterfalls in this national park that are free. You saw the first one a few videos back, and this is the other free one. And then there's 2 more that they charge 400 baht for, and
Per person.
yeah, per person. So that's like $20 for the both of us.
Yeah. So we're gonna do the free stuff that we get by ourselves.
Yeah. Yeah, there's probably tons of people at the paid one.
Yeah, and tons of videos on it too.
Yeah. You can check those out if you want. Ah, is that a leaf?
What?
Just kidding.
That's not cool. I still have a cut.
I know, my legs are cramped too.
We need to hydrate.
We need to hydrate and eat something.
Okay.
Bye now.
Bye now.
Somebody told you this before, but you outshine the sun. The type that I've been looking for. I've seen you inside my dreams. So baby, come a little closer. Know that you are the only one. I wanna see your body move. Don't be afraid. And baby, keep the lights on. And baby, keep the lights on. So can't we keep the lights on? I wanna see you. This world can be an ugly place. Sometimes it brings out the worst in us. But when I see your pretty face, it all